My grief counselor died. He was so good, I don't even care.
My friend's Xbox got stolen. He was so upset about it that he couldn't be consoled.
Why can't candles sleep? Because there's no rest for the wicked.
Snoop Dogg is opening up a marijuana college. Well, technically it's a high school.
Did you hear about the guy whose left side was cut off? Don't worry, he's all right now.
I received a message from the sun. It was enlightening.
I'm convinced that hitting your knee with a tiny hammer to test your reflexes is a Dr. Kink. They get a little kick out of it.
I wrote a book about reverse psychology. Please don't buy it.
I went to see a doctor about my brother, who thinks he's a chicken. The doctor asked, "Why don't you have him committed to a psychiatric hospital?" I said, to be honest, I need the eggs.
What do you call the counter in the middle of the kitchen when it's filled with pies, cakes, and cookies? A deserted island.
You know what eggs Benedicts do for vacations? They go on hollandaise.
I bought a thesaurus in the bookshop the other day. I came home to find it empty. There were no words to describe my anger.
Parallel lines have so much in common. It's a shame they'll never meet.
Did you hear about the kidnapping at the playground? They woke up.
I bet you didn't know the inventor of urinal cakes was 10 years old. They called him a real whiz kid.
My friend held up a white flag and asked me to guess what it means. I shrugged my shoulders and said, I give up.
What is a baker's favorite Beatles song? Yesterday.
Did you know? Garlic is the ingredient with the largest medial coverage. It's always in the garlic press.
What did the plumber say when he left his wife? It's overflow.
What did the boat say to the ocean in a calm day? Why didn't you wave at me? I'm Bob Jeffy.
And I'm Montgomery Jones. Stick around for a bonus dad joke. We're here to brighten your world with some humor. Don't forget to share the laughs, or groans, with your loved ones. Sleep well, and I'll be back with more jokes tomorrow. Thank you for your continued support. Hey listeners, we have another podcast called Daily Shower Thoughts, showcasing random, amusing, and mind-bending epiphanies. Search for Daily Shower Thoughts in your podcast player or check the show notes page for more info. Your mind will be blown.
Do you have your own dad joke you want to share? Join the hundreds of listeners who have submitted their own dad jokes through our voicemail. Please spread the laughs and groans and submit your own dad joke to our voicemail, with the best ones to be included in special fan episodes. Just leave your name, the city and state you live in, and your best dad joke. Call 978-393-1076. I'll repeat that number, it's 978-393-1076, or check the show notes page for the number. We look forward to hearing from you.
The Daily Dad Jokes podcast is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for social media links and joke credits. This show was recorded in front of a canned studio audience. I try to laugh at my optometrist's jokes, but his sense of humor is corny as hell.